Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vina Elementary School, home of the Warriors. And this is in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. This is my second visit to their campus. Just an amazing day. Had 3 assemblies for all the grades, K through 8, and we also had a parent program as well in the evening. But for the student assemblies, we focused on diversity and the need for human kindness, right? Just like the front of my shirt says, need human kindness. My friend and I designed this a few years ago. The peace sign inside the heart is where peace has to begin, right? There's also 2 people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others too, right? And it's so important we do this because every kind word we say, every kind deed that we do, it may actually affect someone's heart in a positive way. Not just the person we're doing it towards or the group of people, but to anybody that hears that kindness or sees that kindness as well. So we're really trying to push, especially their acronym here, Be Brave, which I love. They have it all across the entire school grounds, but we really kind of honed in on the R that you'll see part of Brave, which is respectful, right? Having that self-respect, but then having that respect for others as well. Because we're talking about diversity, this could be our differences on the outside, could also be on the inside. We have to appreciate everyone for who they are, you know, both outer and inner. And to know that, you know, we have this opportunity where just even one act of kindness can maybe change someone's entire world, brighten their day, cheer them up. You know, this world needs a lot more kindness, and the students really got that. We had a lot of pin drop moments through the heartfelt stories that I shared, the inspirational videos, the positive music, some of the picture slides and visual aid props that kind of reinforce part of the message. So again, I was just so happy that I could kind of keep building on that original message last year that was talking about looking at our heart first, the same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else, and really try to push for that unconditional love, right? That love without any conditions, to lift people up higher than ourselves and know that that's how we start to make this world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. So that focused more for the student side, but for the parent session tonight, with a lot of youth as well that attended, that was on positivity and being our best self, right? That we always have a positive outlook and attitude in every area of our life, with everyone in our lives, and knowing that days like today here in Madera, where the sun's shining, very easy to be positive, right? But when it's not the best weather, or kind of stormy, cloudy out, or even like inside our hearts, something's going on at home, here at school, a tough situation, a friendship, the school subject, whatever it is, trying to learn something new. We know that those difficult times, they will happen, but they're opportunities to make us stronger if we let them, right? As long as we're giving our effort, as long as we're doing our best, that's what true excellence is all about. It's not about always being the best, it's just doing our best, right? Knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up, right? If we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. If we fail, we're not a failure, right? But we keep going, we keep persevering, and we keep understanding that as long as we keep trying, then there's always a chance to have that success, right? To keep our head up, and to also really try to keep this positive mentality to get rid of the negativity. The person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves. We don't want to be telling ourselves something negative, but rather get past the negative beliefs and doubts and limiting beliefs and step into that more positive position, you know, in our lives. So thanks so much for touching my heart. It was another great day here at Vina. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.